How to parallel park. To parallel park on the right-hand side of the road, find a space that is about 1.5 times longer than your vehicle. Check traffic beside and behind you, then signal your intention to pull over and stop. Drive alongside, or parallel to, the vehicle parked ahead of the empty space, leaving about 1 meter between the vehicles. Stop when your rear bumper is in line with the other vehicle. Now, follow these steps. Slowly and carefully reverse into the space, turning the steering wheel fully toward the curb. When you can see the outside rear corner of the vehicle in front of your space, straighten your wheels as you continue to reverse. Then, turn the steering wheel fully toward the road to bring your vehicle in line with the curb. If your vehicle is not parallel to the curb, drive forward to straighten. When you are properly parked, set the parking brake and move the gear selector into park. If your vehicle has a manual transmission, shift into first gear or reverse gear. And that's how you complete a parallel parking maneuver.